Okay, so a lot of people have a confusion that why I started Python. Okay, high package job కావాలా ఒక 3 లక్షల ప్యాకేజ్ సరిపోతుందా? ఓకే, హై కావాలి కదా, ఫైన్. సో ఇప్పుడు చాట్ జీపీటీ ఓపెన్ చేసి నేను ఎందుకు పైథాన్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను దానికి కంక్లూజన్ ఇస్తాను, అండ్ దెన్ మీరు ఏం చెప్పమంటే అది చెప్తారు. సో ఎందుకు స్టార్ట్ చేశారని కొంతమందికి డౌట్ ఉండొచ్చు. ఆ డౌట్ క్లారిఫై చేయడానికి ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఓకే, సో MLOps versus DevOps, which having more ప్యాకేజెస్. అదే కదా మీకు కావాల్సింది ఫైనల్ గా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏమడుతుందో చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. మిడ్ లెవెల్ ఇక్కడ 8 to 20 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ 15 to, సీనియర్ లెవెల్ 20 to 40 ఉంటే 25 to. ఓకే,
Sir, please speak in English. I request you.
వాట్?
Speak in English, sir. I request you. I don't understand.
Okay, I am just doing a conclusion that why I started Python.
Yeah,
okay,
thank you, sir.
so the reason is MLOps having high package or DevOps having high packages. And conclude that MLOps having high packages. Point number 1, do Python is required for MLOps or not? That doesn't mean I'm not going to say the Python. That doesn't mean I'm not going to teach you the DevOps. I will teach you the DevOps as well. Okay, don't worry about that. So come here. MLOps is between machine learning and then most of the skills is built using Python. So you will all use Python: data processing, building modules, pipeline, model deployment, and automation script. Without Python, it is very hard to. What it's saying, without Python is very hard to understand ML modules, debugging pipeline, and deploy ML systems. So that is the reason I'm going to talk with this. If you learn this, DevOps will be very easy and AI will be very, very easy. So that is the reason why I have talked about the Python first. Okay. Now today, what are the topics I'm going to talk about? I'm going to talk about still we are in the one. Okay. So you please follow my GitHub repository. Okay. I'm gonna do this. We are going to talk about yesterday, what we have completed? Yesterday? So very basics we have completed. What are the very basic things? What are the very basic things we have completed yesterday? So we have completed the two things. One is basics and variables. Today we are going to talk about the data types, operators. The two things we are going to talk. Okay. If time permits, I'm going to talk about the flow log, flow control. If those things I'm going to talk. So come here. Data types. Okay. So come here first. So what do you mean by data type? So close this. Yes. So cancel. Okay. Now, what are data types? Data types. Okay. Data types are a classification of data which tell the, sorry, you are not able to see that. Okay, just give me a second. Tell the compiler or interpreter, Peter. Thank you. Once again, data types are a classification of data Data types and classification of data. So of data which tells us compiler or interpreter to how the program intended to use data. Yesterday only we have seen the float is one data type, string is one data type, okay, integer is one data type, okay, boolean is one data type. So how many data types you have? We have more, but majorly we use this type of data type. Okay. Sorry. Next one. They determine the type of operation that can be performed on the data, the values that the data can take, and the amount of memory needed to store the data. So first one, to store the data, we need data types. Okay, to determine the what type of data you use in the program, we use data types. So what are the things you are going to talk in this part? Importance of data type in programming. Importance of data type in programming. Data types in program or programming. The data types ensure data is to stored in efficient way. To store the data, we use data types. Okay, they help in performing correct operation on data. It helps to performing operations on data. Proper use of data types can prevent errors and debugs in the program. If you use it properly, the data types, it can prevent the errors and you can debug in the program. What are the things we are going to learn? Intro to data types. Okay. Importance of data types and in programming. Importance, intro and importance. Okay. Basic data type. What are the basic data types we have? Basic data types. What are the basic data types? So we are going to talk about the data types are nothing but you have a list to pull set. All of this comes under data types only. Okay. Type conversation. Okay. These all comes under the. Okay. So now come here. First one. Yesterday when we have seen by using the variables, I have shown you some kind of data types. What are those? Come here. What are those?
Integer.
Yes. We are going to talk about that. Come here. Go to Google Colab. Login. 1 second. Type conversation. All these things we are going to talk. Okay. So 1 second, please. Google Colab. Login. It doesn't take much time. So create a notebook. First, come here. Integer example. Okay. What do you use? Age equal to 35. Okay. It's a data type or not? Okay. So type is age. Okay. Now, what type it is? It should print something as, let's see. It should print something for us. What is that? Integer. Very good. So next, click on code. Next, we are going to talk about the floating. Next, we are going to talk about the float. Okay. So come here. Floating point. Data type. Okay. HEIGHT height equal to 511. Okay. PRINT print. HEIGHT height 1. Print TYPE type HEIGHT height. Then it's gonna print the 511 is the this part, and then what it is? Height is float. You say 5.11. It is a float. Yes. So next we are going to talk about a Boolean. Next we are going to talk about a Boolean. So click on code. So come here. LEAN Boolean data. TYPE type. Okay. So if I is true, is TRUE true? Okay. Is student. Let's go with this student equal to TRUE true. Okay. Printer is true. Is student. Print is STUDENT student. Okay. Printer type is underscore student. STUDE. Okay. Actually, one second. Okay, one second. DENT student. Yes. Okay, one second. PRINT. Yeah, fine. Okay, now come down. Well, what it is printed? So one second. Where is my mouse? Okay. Come down. You are able to see the. Okay. Fine. That is Boolean you have seen. Now click on code. A equal to 10. B equal to 10. Okay. So now my type is type A. So what it is it Boolean or not? True or not? A equal to 10, B equal to 10. And then say what is A equal to B? It is true, right? Yes or no? So now let's go with this first of all. Boolean or not? Say Boolean or not? True or false comes under Boolean. It is false. But again it is Bool. It is true. Once again. These are true. These are true. But again it is Boolean. So errors, common errors. What are the common errors we are going to face it here? So we are going to face the common errors is nothing but just come here. Okay, what are the common errors? See, common errors. So can I say 3 plus 5? Print 3 plus 5 is okay. Or result 3 plus 5 is okay. Can I say hello plus 5? Is it going to be added? No. So don't do this kind of result. Result equal to 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. It says how much? Okay. Print result. Assume that print result. Okay. It's a result 5 plus 3. Okay. But when I go with this, hello plus HELLO, hello. Okay. Go back, clear this. Okay. And then remove this. And then come here. Is it right? So click here. You got an error or not? You got an error or not? So if you really want print, now what you're supposed to do is you need to go here. Okay, click on code. What you're supposed to do is result result equal to hello plus string 5. You assume that is string as a fry, not a numeric. Okay, then print result, print result, click here. So you have a hello 5. This is the method. If you want to add that, you need to follow this way. So yes is not a 5 is not a string, it considers an integer, but you make it as a string and 5, say 5, it will be string, and then you can add hello 5 to that. Clear? So next we are going to talk about the very important concept, which is we are going to talk about the deep dive into the operation. What are the operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, module, and okay. Comparison operators: equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Logical operations, and or not. These are the okay. So let's see what are we are going to talk about the operations here. So operations are nothing but, come here. What are the operations we are going to talk? Operations. So deep dive operation, introduction to operations. Arithmetic operations. What are arithmetic operations? Okay. So
Subtraction, multiplication, division.
yeah, multiplication, division, okay. Floor, okay. Module, okay. Next, what you are going to come, okay. And then expression are there or not? One second. Modulus, and then exponent, power 2 to the power of 3, 8 to the power of 2. These are nothing but exponential. Okay. These comes under the arithmetic operations. Now, second one we are going to talk about the comparison operators. What are comparison operators? Equal to, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are comes under the comparison operators. Yes or no? So let's see these comparison operators. So first one, comparison operators. So first, equal to greater than, third one is less than, oh sorry, not equal to, fourth one is less than, fifth one is greater than or equal to, sixth one is less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, these are the what operation? Comparison operators. Next we are going to talk about the last one, which is nothing but logical operations, which is nothing but, and it should be only capital, and or, and then not. These are the operators. If you know this, you're done with the very basic fundamentals, and we can go with the flow and then the data structures. Okay, so now first arithmetic. First, let's go with the arithmetic here. So code. First one, what you are going to talk about? Arithmetic operations. So what do you mean by arithmetic operations? So A equal to, let me go with the arithmetic here. All together. arithmetic operations. Okay. A equal to 10, B equal to whatever you want, 5 or whatever you want, you can take it. Add underscore result equal to, or you just say add. No, not to say with the add. Add is fine, or add underscore result equal to A plus B. Okay. What is that? A plus B. What is that? Addition. Sub result equal to A minus B. A minus B. Mult underscore multiplication result equal to A. What is that? A star B. Okay. So div underscore result equal to A slash B. A slash B, which is nothing but division. Floor division, floor underscore div underscore result equal to floor underscore result equal to A double slash B. Okay. Next one, last one is power exponential. Okay. So module division. Okay. Modulus result equal to A. Okay. Okay. Next one is exponent. Okay. Expo underscore result equal to A double star, not even single star, double star B. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is print add underscore result. Okay. print sub underscore result. Okay. Okay. print. Next one is mul result. Okay. It's my bad. So it is also, you need to remove 1 R from here. So print. So there is no science, there is no math. Directly I'm going to say only English words I'm using. There is nothing here. There is no science here. Result. And then print mul result. Print div result. Okay, sorry, why div, not div? What is it? It is floor division, right? Sorry, floor division. FL. Okay, floor F. Sorry, FL floor. What I have given here, floor. Okay, floor div result. Okay, next one is module result. Okay, next one is the last one. See, if you want printed, you otherwise you leave it. It doesn't matter. You know what to print it, right? So just click here. You got 5 plus 10. So 10 minus 5. So 10 into 5. Okay, when you divide, you get 2.0. But when you do the floor division, okay, and then when you go with the modulus result, 0. If you go 10 to the 10 square, 10 into 2 times, how much? 100. Let's see here. Come here. print the what is that? expo result, right? Okay. Now click here. So sorry, not 10 into 5 times. So 10 into 5 times, how much you get? 10 into 2 times, you get 100. 100 into 10 times? 100
1
into
lakh.
1000. 1000 into 10 times? 10,000 into 10 times? Is it 1 lakh or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Next, we are going to talk about the next we are going to talk about the one more thing, which is nothing but, let's see this. Okay. Comparison. Let's go with the comparison. Okay. So what is the comparison? So operators, comparison operators. So what we do? A equal to 10, B equal to 10. Okay. A double equal to B. True or false? So what you got? Okay. As I told you, what are the comparison operators? Equal to, not greater than, not equal to, less than, greater than. Okay. Now we are going to see the one more, which is nothing but, by using string, I'm going to show. This is numeric. Now I'm going to show with the string. So come here. Write the code one more time. So str1 equal to Madhu. str1 equal to Madhu. Okay. str2 equal to Madhu. So now string 1 equal double equal to. So is it true or false? True. Now I'm going to say not equal. I'm going to say not equal. So for example, so using this same thing, not equal equal.
Like one doubt, why we are using double equal to string one, double equal to string
See,
one equal to
it's okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. How to write equal in Python? Okay, just come here.
Normally, the single equal sign is used to assign the variable.
Yes,
So,
but your equal, a double equal is to assign the equal symbol. Double equal is to assign the equal symbol. Assigning value is different, and we are going with the equal symbol. So I added one more symbol here. That's it.
Thanks.
Okay. So not equal. This symbol comes under the exclamation mark. This symbol comes under the not equal. This symbol comes under the not equal. So now what I'm going to do is, come here. Okay. Not equal. str1 not equal to str2, but string 1 is not equal to string 2. Is it true or false? False. Both are same. So come here. Come here. False. But if I go with the Ravi here, okay, come here. Now it is true. So this is not equal to. Next we are going to talk about the, okay. Next we are going to talk about the greater than. Greater than. So how to talk about the greater than? Come here. So with strings, I can talk about the greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Less than, greater than or equal to only apply for numeric, not for the strings. Only for digits you can able to apply the greater than or less than. So that num1 equal to 45, num2 equal to 55, num2 equal to 55, num1, num2. Which one is greater? Num2. So is it true or false? False. Yes or no? So next we are going to talk about the less than. Next we are going to talk about the less than. Greater than is completed. Next we are going to talk about the less than. So come here. Less than. What is the symbol of less than? Is the symbol of less than or not? So enter. So print num1, num2, num1 less than num2. It is true statement or false statement? That's why it's a true statement. Next we are going to talk about the greater than. Please mute yourself. I request, please mute yourself. Less than completed, greater than completed, equal completed, not equal to completed. Next we are going to talk about greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So greater than or equal to, now NUMB here, number 1 equal to 45, sorry, 10, and then number 2 equal to 15 or 10 only. Okay, why I'm going to do with 10? Greater than or equal. So both are equal. Now print number 1 or equal to number 2. Both are same. Yes, it may be greater, it may be equal. Yes, sir, statement is correct or not? So come here. True statement or false? So next we are going to talk about the less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. So how do you do this? So come here. Come little bit up. So now less than or equal to. So what we supposed to do is number 1 equal to 44, number 2 equal to 45. One is 45, one is 44, or you can take any number. So first of all, let's go with the 10 and then 10, and then you can also go with the 11 number here. What is that? 10 or 10. I'm going to take 10 and then 11. I'm going to say less than or equal to. I'm going to prove it. Okay. So enter this. So print number 1 equal to number 2 equal to number 2. So enter here. True. Done. So next we are going to talk about the and, not, or. Only these two we are going to talk. Okay. X equal to true, Y equal to true. When you go with the end, if both are true only, you will be able to get the. Okay. Let me go with this box. Paint. Come down. Come here. Let's go with the box. Okay. So this is and. So X is true and then Y is true, then only the result will be true. Yes or no? Both should be true, then only the result will be true. OR gate, if one is false also, the result will be
false.
No, true. OR gate, only one false, one true, the result will be true. AND gate, both should be true, then only it will be true. In case it is false, in case the y value is false, the result will be false in the AND gate. But in OR gate, if one is true, the result will be true. That is the difference between AND gate and OR gate. Not I will explain. Okay, so you know this now. Okkati false avute rendu the output will be false in the AND gate. If the one value is true and one value is the false in the OR gate, the result will be true only. Both should be true in AND gate if you want to get the answer as a true. Okay, let me show you this. Come here. Okay, so code and or not. So x equal to true and true, true. Y equal to equal to true. Result equal to x and y. print print.
Dr. Envy Ganapathy Raju +9 1
Sir చెప్పండి సార్ ఏం సార్ ఎందుకు పోతున్నావు ఏమైంది సార్ అవును సార్ నేను మొన్న చెప్పినా కదా సార్ మంచిగా పోతుంది సార్ అని అంతే సార్ చెప్తా సార్ నేను చెప్తాను నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా సార్ నేను అది వచ్చి చెప్తా మాట్లాడుతున్నాను ఓకే సార్ True or false? Okay. Now I'm going to change. Simple thing. Now I'm going to change. What is this? Now the answer will be correct. Now I'm going to change only this one part. I'm going to change here. Only one part I'm going to change. I'm going to change as a instead of and I'm going to change small change here or then it will be true. And even both are true also. Okay, if both are false, it will be false. The next is, what is next? Okay, so come here. So next we are going to talk about the not.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు అండ్ ట్రూ అండ్ ఫాల్స్ వచ్చిన ట్రూ వస్తుంది సార్
ఏంటండి
అండ్ లో ట్రూ అండ్ ఫాల్స్ వచ్చిన ట్రూ వస్తుందా సార్
అర్థం కాలేదు కుడ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ పింగ్ మీ వన్స్ అక్కడ అర్థం అనుకోవడానికి లాజిక్ అంటూ ఏమీ లేదు ఇప్పటిదాకా మనం నేర్చుకున్న దాంట్లో దేర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ లాజిక్ దేర్ ఇస్ వెరీ స్ట్రైట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ తప్పించి మనం స్ట్రైట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఏం లాజిక్ ఏం లేదండి సో కుడ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ పింగ్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ డౌట్ ప్లీజ్
ఎక్స్ వై ఇప్పుడు ట్రూ అండ్ ఫాల్స్ వస్తే కూడా ఫాల్స్ వస్తుందా సార్
ఎండ్ గేట్ రెండు ట్రూ అయితేనే ట్రూ అవుతాయి ఎండ్ గేట్ రెండు ట్రూ అయితేనే ట్రూ అవుతాయి y should be true and then x should be true then only you'll get the true answer if anything is false you'll get the false that is what end gate but when you go with the or gate if one is true and one is false you'll get the true only until unless both are false you'll get the false
okay sir
clear
yeah clear
fine okay. So next one you are going to talk about the not. Okay, here x equal to false. Okay, I'm saying not x. I'm saying not x. X false kada. x ఈక్వల్ టు ఫాల్స్ అన్నాను. నాట్ ఆపరేటర్ ఏంటి? నాట్. సో ఫాల్స్ కాదు కాబట్టి ఏమని రావాలి అక్కడ?
ట్రూ రావాలి.
ఫాల్స్ ఏమని రావాలి అక్కడ? ట్రూ అని రావాలి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ 8. ఇట్ షుడ్ బి సంథింగ్. ఇట్స్ 9 కాబట్టి అక్కడ ఏమని రావాలి? నాట్ అంటే ఏంటి? అది కాదు. ట్రూ కాదు కాబట్టి ఏమొచ్చింది? సో ఫాల్స్ కాదు కాబట్టి ఏమొచ్చింది? దట్స్ వాట్ ట్రూ. నా వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ నాట్? అది కాదు, నాట్ దట్, నాట్ దిస్ అని అంటాం. సో ఇట్స్ నాట్ x ఈక్వల్ టు ఫాల్స్, నాట్ x, then it should print. That's what. ఇవి ఆపరేటర్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ వస్తుంది రేపటి నుంచి. సో ఇఫ్, ఎల్స్, ఎలిఫ్, these things you are going to see. So once you're done with this, you are also going to work with. Tomorrow I'm going to show small program in these operators. I'm going to start the cloud part. Sharp at 9:05 class start అవుతుంది. Sharp at 9:05 class, 9 to 11:05. At 2 hours tomorrow it's going to be cloud part, 9 to 11:05, purely cloud, theoretical and practical, theoretical and practical, theoretical and practical. Clear? And ఈ రోజు కొంచెం లేట్ అయింది, apologize for that. Okay, any questions please? ఇందులో క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటూ ఏం లేవు. ఇట్స్ ప్యూర్లీ ఇంగ్లీష్ or simple math what you have studied here. That's it. And logic is going to start from tomorrow. Logic is going to start not from tomorrow, from Monday logic is going to start. Okay, conditions, all these things you are going to start from tomorrow. Actual programming start from tomorrow. So if you understand this part, that tomorrow will be very easy. Okay, if ante enti, elif ante enti, else ante enti, ఒకసారి ఇవి చూసుకొని రండి. Okay, tomorrow within 5 to 10 minutes I'm going to write a simple program on these operators. Okay, whatever we have covered so far, whatever we have covered, basic variables, data types and operators use చేసి ఒక చిన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసి I'm going to start the cloud part. 9 to 11 or 11:15 I'm going to complete the cloud part. Okay, Sunday class ఉందా లేదా అని రేపు చెప్తాను. Thank you.